Are you following the creative best practices for Reels in your campaigns? Once you have included Reels placements in your campaign, it's time to optimize your ad creative using Reels best practices. These can help you achieve better results overall. There are 3 main creative best practices for Reels. The first best practice is to build 9:16 vertical videos to make your Reels ads immersive full-screen experiences. You can crop your video to 9:16 in Meta Ads Manager, or use Advantage Plus Creative to automatically adjust your video. The next best practice is to build your ad creative with audio to make your Reels ads entertaining. You can use free audio music from the Sound Collection, or explore more options on the Reels audio library. And the last best practice is to build your ad creative within the safe zone. This prevents your message from being covered by the Reels interface. You can use Ads Manager to check that your ad creative fits within the safe zone. These creative best practices are useful beyond Reels placements. Now you know how to include Reels using creative best practices in your campaigns. You may see opportunity score recommendations in your account related to Reels formats, which are experimentally proven to help you improve performance. So, remember to check your recommendations to learn when you can optimize your campaigns with Reels. You can learn more about Reels and other solutions with Meta Blueprint.